All right, beautiful people of YouTube. We have another session of comment answering. I enjoy doing this type of videos, to be honest with you. So today we're gonna answer comments from this one, Westerner experiences Ramadan for the first time in Malaysia, part 1. Okay, let's dig in. And again, guys, I have this keyboard, but I cannot really seem to use it, to be able to use it. So I'm gonna have to reach out and type the answers like that. Okay, so Yassine says, hope that you will have a good Ramadan in Malaysia. I did. Thank you so much, Yassine. That's it. Morning glory, not water spinach. Okay, let me help you with Google, says Big C. Let's see, it's water spinach. Someone else says, all right. Okay, let's see. Okay. To be honest, I don't remember what it was or what it is that they're talking about. I don't know, but yeah. All right. What do we have? Ramadan, Karen. Thank you, Sarah. Oh, yeah. Yes. Thank you. I think that's the correct way to do it. Yes. Thank you, Sarah. Wonderful Ramadan experience. Welcome to Malaysia. That round tower is Menara Tabuk Haji. Fun for Muslims to help cover the cost of the pilgrimage to Mecca. Thank you, Alina. All right. Guys, if you have any suggestions to make these videos, if you think these videos are boring and you have any suggestions to make them more engaging or anything along those lines, let me know. I like to create those videos, but I feel sometimes they might be boring for you. Even if you say they're boring, I'm still gonna probably make them. So just give me some advice to make them not as boring. Okay, what's this? Let's see. Translate. Google Translate. Whoa, 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 like a relative of the king. Oh, thank you. Terima kasih. I have to see. Someone said, guys, that it's only terima, and terima kasih is in Indonesia, actually. I don't know. Is that true? Let me know. And we have the greening emoji, which we like to use. Enjoy your stay here during Ramadan. Thank you so much. I did actually enjoy it. It's been one of the best experiences I've ever had. Thank you so much. Salam Ramadan, welcome to Malaysia. Ishak. Thank you, Ishak. Hey, Daddy. Okay. He's taken. I'm liking everything. Maybe he can have, never mind, he can have 4 wives as a Muslim. He already has a girlfriend in Thailand and in Europe. Well, as a matter of fact, unfortunately, I'm not a Muslim as of now. And second of all, I do not have a girlfriend in Thailand or Europe. But okay. You think he would do that? Don't make chaos. All right. See, guys, I don't even know what to reply, to be honest. And if I don't, these will stay here for forever. So, you know, I still have to say something, because I think that's the only way to actually not have these comments here, and not think always like, oh, why didn't I reply to this, or what happened with that. So what I'm gonna do is, I like comments are funny. The comments are funny. So we're gonna reply like this. Okay, I don't even know if when I refresh it, they will go away or not. Let me actually do it. Let me actually refresh now. And let's see. Yeah. Okay, Pinto, have you converted to Islam? Hope not, he says. Eva says, even if he converts, it's none of your business. That is his life. He's free to be or do as he pleases. Don't be judgmental. And then we have, who do we have? We have a friend saying, hope you convert to Islam. Then we have Afif saying, hope you're not interfere with someone's business decisions, okay, or what they want in life. Someone says something else as well again here. That it's Heli. Ibrahim. Okay. Guys, Pinto has been on my channel for a long time now. He has been on my channel since the beginning. Pinto is actually an amazing person. I haven't met him in real life, but the last thing that I want is you guys having fights on the channel, on like in the comment section, okay? You know what? I don't mind as much if someone is saying something to me, or is insulting me, or is aggressive to me. But I mind if you guys are aggressive to each other. Now, I don't know exactly what Pinto meant by meant by this, but Pinto is an amazing person. He's an amazing person, and I don't want you guys to fight with each other, because I am sure, I'm 100% sure that if we all go and have a dinner together, we will all have a great time together, and we will enjoy each other's company, you know. And you know, the internet is a place where we don't know each other, right? We sometimes don't even see each other's faces, right? I just know her name is Eva, probably, yeah? And then his name is Ibrahim. But we don't even see each other. So I want you guys to be a little more kind to each other, and just respect the fact that, okay, just respect each other, okay? Because the internet, like many things, can be interpreted in a wrong way, okay? Because it's different when we are face to face, and in this case, we don't even have the opportunity, or you guys don't even have the opportunity to, I don't know, record a video and say what you feel in the video. So, yeah, I'm sure Pinto did not mean it in a wrong way, okay? And I'm happy to have you all guys here and to tune in, to comment and so on. But just don't just be nice to each other, okay? So I don't even know what to reply, to be honest. I just want to reply something. I'm gonna, I guess, say the same thing. I'm gonna say the same thing that I said, and that I said right now. Yeah, that's it. That's it. Enjoy, Alex. Sorry, guys, coughing all the time. Enjoy, Alex. Thank you, Pinto. So see, guys, it was nothing. It was not an attack. It was not an attack. It was just a comment. And I'm sure he didn't mean it in a wrong way. Send my regards to your girlfriend and her family. Sorry, guys, for coughing. Says Riza, to your family, I can see that they treated you well. They treated me extremely well, Riza. However, I must say, once again, Sarah, me and Sarah, we are not in a relationship, in a romantic relationship. We're just very good and now close friends, I can say. And I was fortunate enough to meet Sarah, and she showed me the best parts around Kuala Lumpur. And I'm very thankful to her and thankful to her family. But again, we are not in a romantic relationship. Yep. Ramadan Kareem. Hope you enjoy Ramadan month and its spirit and understanding more about Islam and the Muslims in Malaysia. 100%. 100%. This experience made me understand more about Islam and made me appreciate Muslims even more, to be honest. I know him, but I just want to see, yeah. I would like to address people by their name, if I can see their name. Let's see if we have the thank you sign. Thank you emoji. Boom, it's here. Untunglah. Oh yeah, that means lucky. Yep, I am. I am. There you go. Alex's girlfriend is sweet. All right. Eva says that. Again, Eva. She's extremely sweet. She's beautiful. She's very smart. You guys don't know that. But she's extremely intelligent as well, and hardworking, and yeah, a great person. A great person. But yeah, we're not in a relationship. We're not girlfriend and boyfriend, or boyfriend and girlfriend. Okay, I think we replied to all of the comments from this video. So yeah, let's see if we have some health comments. That's like comments when people are swearing and stuff like that. We don't. Okay, perfect. I think I'm going to stop here. It's already a little late. And yeah, that's all for this video. See you in the next one.